Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Lewis here from hostsorter.com, and in this video I'm going to be covering the best web host for WordPress, period. Also, if you're ready to get started with your new website, I'll also give you major discounts for web hosting, so stay tuned. Okay, so you've been looking around and you've landed on WordPress as your desired content management system of choice. First off, well done. I use WordPress myself. I've been using it for 9 years and I highly recommend it for people that are making their new websites. It's completely free and it has the largest catalog of themes and plugins and forums and communities out there. And also, I'm not the only one. Actually, 34% of all websites are currently made on WordPress as well. So unlike other videos out there on YouTube of people that just randomly pick a web host depending on who they might be using, I'm actually going to be giving you the top recommendation from WordPress themselves. So WordPress actually has a page on their website where they actually have a recommendations list of web hosts for WordPress. So this takes a lot of the guesswork out of it, as WordPress has actually vetted these providers. They use them, they recommend them, and they actually have put them to the test, and they can confidently recommend them for people that are starting with WordPress. So who exactly is the top provider on their list? Well, it is Bluehost. So Bluehost is a provider that's been around since 1996, and it's a provider that I actually personally use for myself, and I've been using them for a couple of years now and have been extremely impressed with their service. So Bluehost is a really WordPress user-friendly service. They have a one-click WordPress installation. So this means that you can pretty much sign up and have a website online within pretty much 5 minutes, and there's only a few clicks you have to do. There's no coding, there's no kind of expert experience that you have to need to get started with Bluehost. It's really user-friendly, and they also provide a lot of other benefits for people that are just getting started out as well. So some of the ones that I always look out for and that Bluehost provides for their customers is really good load times for websites. So from my own testing and kind of resources online, load times vary from under 500 milliseconds to 1 second. So this is well on the top end of kind of website load times for a wide range of websites out there. And they also provide a really good uptime of 99.99%. So this is the percentage of time that your website is actually successfully running online. So as far as the features of the actual web hosting service and their plans, for their beginner plan, it starts at $2.75 per month, and that's actually a discounted price. So if you're looking to activate that price, I'll put a link down below in the description. So yeah, it's $2.75 a month when you first sign up. And I believe that is for the 36-month plan. So the longer you do sign up for, the longer you can actually lock in those cheap prices, which is actually a really good way of saving yourself some money. And also Bluehost does provide a free SSL certificate, also known as a secure sockets layer. So this just means that your website is fully encrypted and is ready for e-commerce and taking information if you have an online store. And they also provide a free domain name. So this is a .com, a .net, a .co, a .online, some of the most popular domain names out there. And this is free for the first year. So this is a really good saving straight off the bat as well. So as far as storage and bandwidth as well, Bluehost actually does have a really good offering. I believe for their beginner plan, they do have 50 gigabytes of SSD storage, which is really quite a lot if you do just plan on making one website. And they also do have an unmetered amount of bandwidth as well. So this is the ebb and flow of kind of data that people download from your website when they're searching on Google. And Bluehost does have a major list of other kind of benefits, from email, one-click WordPress installation, and they also have many other kind of content management systems available as well. So if you're looking for a top WordPress recommended host, then I would highly recommend Bluehost. I personally use them. WordPress recommends them as their top web host, and I've had a really good experience with them, and I highly recommend them for new people that are just starting their website. So if you're ready to get started, I'll put a link down below in the description so you can activate that discount. And I'll also add a few guides and tutorials on how to make websites, and also some other optimization tips for your new WordPress website. So hopefully this video has helped you. If you'd like to see any other videos related to creating a website, WordPress or web hosting, please let me know and I'll be happy to help you out. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you all in the next one.